Hello, hello. I got something new for y'all. Went out and bought some. Go ahead. I went out and bought some microgreens. So this is kind of like my first time trying this. So they had different mixes. So this is one mix that I got. This is another mix that I got. Pea shoots, sunflower shoots, broccoli, and micro salad. And these are what the mixes look like. So this mix is micro, crust, beet, cabbage, dill, mustard, and radish. This is another one. This is the wellness mix with micro, broccoli, cabbage, and kale. And there you already see what the pea shoots look like. This is another mix. This is the micro salad with micro sunflower, pea shoots, radish, and cilantro. And then this is what another mix looks like. And this is the broccoli. So these, I will come back and explain a little bit more about micro greens in a later video, but you can use them in smoothies, you can use them to cook with, or you could just use it as a salad, pretty much. So I will be back. My people, happy Saturday. I hope everybody is having a good weekend. I wanted to come back and talk to you more about these microgreens. I kind of just did, yesterday my kitchen was very busy. I was running around trying to get dinner done. So I wanted to come on here and talk to y'all more about these microgreens that I came across. One of my girlfriends, she's a vegetarian, I believe. She had posted about these, I think it's called hydroponic or something like that, vegetables or greens. And so I kind of looked it up to see what it was about and to see if they had any in my area. And they had a couple, but it was one that had really good reviews on their microgreens. And I found another one too that has more of the big leafy lettuce type of greens type of deal, but didn't go there. Maybe I'll go next weekend because I think they open up on Saturdays and it's drive up. But this right here is a mixture of a little bit of this micro mix, and as you can see in this mix, it has micro cress, beet, cabbage, dill, mustard, and radish. So these are all micro beet, cabbage, dill, mustard, and radish. And also I put a little bit of this wellness mix in here. So it's micro broccoli, cabbage, and kale. And then I put this mix in here, which is micro sunflower, pea shoots, radish, and cilantro. And basically that's what these bigger leaves are that you see in here. These are more smaller. I think I had showed this yesterday. But this is what a broccoli microgreen look like. And it's basically broccoli, but what they do is they pick it at a certain stage. This is not a sprout. I think within 10 to 14 days, that's when they go and pick them. And that's what makes it micro. And they say that the microgreens have much more nutrition than if you was to let them fully grow. So, and each one of these have different types of nutrition. I looked at it, but I didn't go in and remember anything. You could kind of look it up what microgreens is. Again, some people have more of a different supply of microgreens, but this particular place that I went to only had they didn't have a lot to choose from, but they did have mixes, so that's what I like. But this bag right here I think was $15. I believe this bag was the same. The pea shoots were $15. You can put these in smoothies too. You can put them on your dishes, hot dishes. You can eat them just like a regular salad. and put the rest of your toppings. I ate it yesterday as a regular salad, and I had me a hamburger that I cut up because, I'm not eating any starches or carbs like bread, pasta, rice. So I just cut up a blue cheese and onion cheeseburger that my husband cooked with some sauteed lettuce, corn, sauteed onions, and corn. And then I put a little bit of my A1 steak sauce on it. And then a half of an avocado. Put my salad dressing on it. And it was really good. I must say, I like this better than the mixed butter greens that I buy because they just taste too healthy, if that makes sense. But these were really good. Again, you can go online and kind of look into it to see what are the benefits and what they're talking about for each of the different types of microgreens. But like I said, I haven't had to use these yet because they're in these little mixes that I got. And I kind of like the mixes better, than, doing the big bags like these. So next time, I won't do the big bags. I'll just do the mixes because it already has, it comes with a lot of other microgreens in it. And I don't even know if they sell like the cabbage, dill, mustard, radish microgreens separately, or if it just, they should be. I'm not sure. But yeah, I like the mixes better. And all of this was like $80. My husband was like, ugh. But I like it, so I will continue to buy from them to get my greens because I like these better. I like these better than the big leaf, salad. I am going to try one bigger leaf from another farm, Microgreens farm. But I'll talk about that if I get my hands on it, if I go out to get it. And it wasn't expensive either. But yeah, so if it's something that you want to try, look to see if they have a microgreens farm in your area. And basically the difference between the microgreens and regular lettuce is they don't have to plant it in soil. And I guess they use more water. It's inside. They're grown in these trays. You can actually grow microgreens yourself if you want to, be bothered with it, but you don't have to plant it in soil. Basically, is what the microgreens is all about. It's a different way that it's grown. So yeah, so just read up on it. If I do different recipes with it, I will come back and post. Like I said yesterday, I wanted to show my food, but we was all sitting down as a family to eat. My husband was on the grill. I was running around the kitchen, cutting up this, cooking that, frying this, so I really didn't, and it was noisy, so I really didn't have time to come back and really explain it all. But I will add in here, just like some recipes or things that I do with it that I like to eat it like. So with that being said, I hope everyone has a very blessed and happy Easter. Get up and take your butt to church tomorrow to praise the Lord. And I'll be back when I be back. Peace.